Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do dip powder nails with nail extensions using the Kit powder nail kit. And right here I'm just showing you guys my setup of how I begin the nails. So you got the dip powder, then you're gonna have the file and the little sponge. Next, glue, activator, that's what makes your nails hard and not gummy. Nail tip that I didn't use, that's a little dish where you dip your finger in, and brushes in case your brushes get hard. Alright, so disclaimer, I'm not a nail tech or anything. This is my first time ever trying these nails, and as the tutorial goes on, you're gonna be like, what the heck is this girl doing? I'm telling you, I didn't really know what I was doing, and you're gonna see, but don't judge me. So right here I'm just filing down my nails so that I could stick the nail tips on. I decided not to use the nail tips that came with the kit because they were kind of boxy and hard to shape up. I don't really know how to shape nails, so I kind of cheated a little bit and used these tips that I had already got from AliExpress, and they have like the coffin square shape that I like. And then right here, you're gonna see that I'm taking the shine off of my nails. That's to make sure that the nail tips adhere to your natural nail, and also to make sure that you don't get lifting and all that stuff. You could use an e-file if you want to, but I didn't feel like cutting myself up, so I just used a regular file for this. You could also use the file that comes with the kit, but I didn't want to use that, so I used my own. Alright, so boom, next I'm just taking all the dust and stuff off my nails with the alcohol. That's also to help take off the oils too, because when you get oils on your nails, that's when you get lifting, and that hurts. All my girls know. I'm just taking the back of this nail brush that I have and pushing my cuticles back so I could get the powder and stuff close to my cuticle line. Pow! So now you got some nails that are prepped and ready to get done. Dust. You're gonna see me file under the nail tip, the sidewalls of the nail tip, and then that just basically helps me to make sure that the tips fit on my nail good, and they're gonna adhere good with the glue. You're gonna brush the glue on the underside of the tip and apply it to your natural nail. Press down good to make sure it doesn't come off. I have a lot of experience with my nails breaking or lifting specifically. I don't know if it's because of my nail shape or because nail techs don't know how to prep correctly, but I was just trying to make sure I didn't have any issues with applying these nails myself, because then if I mess up on me, who's to blame? Anyway, that nail glue is what you're going to brush onto your nail and then dip in the powder, but you'll see that as the tutorial continues. That's how they look. I'm filing my natural nail and the nail tip to make sure that they blend in together so I don't get no lumps and bumps when I do the whole dipping process. Just blend where your nail meets and the tip together. Like file. File some more, girl. File some more. And file some more. And file some more. And then you're gonna make a really sharp edge on the tip of your nail. So this is what I'm talking about when I'm saying y'all probably gonna be looking like, girl, what you doing? It was a struggle trying to do my right hand, but I made it work. I did my right hand first because I was like, if that don't work out, I ain't doing the rest of this. But anyway, it worked out. Don't laugh at me. Just do what works for you. That's what I did. So right here, I'm going to be showing you guys how you're going to swipe the glue across the middle of your nail, where your nail and the tip meet, dip. Then you're going to go right above that, swipe the glue on, dip. Then you're going to go right below where you first put the glue at, where your nail and the tip met, boom, dip. Then you're going to go a little bit more below that, swipe the glue, boom, dip. Then you're going to go to where your cuticle is, swipe on the glue, boom, dip. So in this clip, my nails were already done. I had already finished the dip process, but I just wanted to show you guys how the dip process goes, because unfortunately everything had got deleted of me actually doing the dip process. So you're going to see in the next few clips, I'm only doing the part where I swipe across the middle of it. But just keep in mind that you're going to do the process as I'm showing in this little clip right here. You know, you have to keep on swiping on the glue and dipping your finger into the powder. Okay, I just wanted you guys to know that that's how you do it. And the reason why you build it up that way is so that you get a nice curve as I'm showing here, and your nails aren't straight across. They're also going to be stronger, and you build a nice apex that also helps your nails stay strong so that they do not break. You're gonna see coming up, this is where I start the dip process, where I start with swiping the glue across the middle of my nail and then dipping my finger in the powder. Okay, so at this point I only have the nail tips on my nail. My nail is not completely done. This was me starting the dip process. Okay, and the clip before, like I said, my nails were already completely done, already completely dipped. They were just ready to be shaped and painted. Okay, don't get it confused. Okay, whenever you're using the glue, please make sure it does not get on your skin, because if it gets on your skin, you're going to get lifting. Also, you're going to have a harder time getting that shape that you want, because it's going to be all over the place. Please make sure you're careful with the glue. There's a little wooden stick that comes in the kit. You're going to use that to get glue and stuff off of your skin before you dip your finger in the powder. However you choose to dip your finger in the powder, that is totally up to you. You can use a little scoop to put the powder on. You could leave your powder in the jar and dip your finger in that. You can flip your finger over upside down the way I did. However you want to do it, but honestly it's all going to depend on the length of your nails, how you dip your finger in, and you'll see that, like, however it's more comfortable and less messy, that's how you could dip your finger. It really doesn't matter, as long as you get that powder onto the glue. That's the whole object. That's all you need to make sure that you do. You're going to use the little sponge to make sure that you get the powder off, which is really important. Or you can use a brush, but whatever you do, just make sure you get the powder off, because if you don't get it all off, when you go back in with the glue, it's going to stick to your brush and it's going to be a mess. All right, you're going to see in the next clip when I go in with a brush, my nails are completely done. They're completely dipped. Like I said, though, you don't see me do the full dip process because that got deleted. I just want to remind y'all, okay? Then I'm going to use the activator. What the activator does is make all the glue and the powder harden up. If you don't do this step when you file, it's just all going to come off. So make sure you apply the activator generously. Be careful not to get it on your skin, but if you do, it's okay. As long as you don't have any cuts around there, then you won't have any burning. But just make sure you apply the activator very generously to make sure that your nails harden, and then make sure that you let it dry before you go on to your filing part. Okay, so obviously this is a voiceover, so I have to review it every time I put it on the video. I'm dead at how I'm trying to talk so proper. Like, girl, who you trying to impress? So anyway, we're gonna go on to the filing part. I decided to use my e-file with my safety drill bit. I don't really know how to use this, but I was trying anyway. The hand file was not cutting it. It was taking way too long. So I was like, forget it, let me just use this little e-file thing or whatever. It was kind of hard to use. Then I used this sanding bin right here just to smooth out my nails, because you will get some lumps, so you need to make sure you file those down so your nails don't be looking too crazy. As you can see here, that's what I was doing. And I wanted to shape up my nails a little bit more, which I don't really know how to do that with a hand file. It's really difficult for me because I'm a newbie. Like I said, I've never done this before. to laugh at myself trying to shape up my nail. Girl, put that file down. You don't know how to shape up nails. Lexi, put the file down. You don't know how to shape nails. Stop. Okay? But sweetie, you watching this video, if you know how to shape up nails, make sure you do that. You know, do what you gotta do. Buff them nails to make sure you prep for the polishing process and to make sure that they're smooth. But also, baby, each time you file them nails or buff them nails, make sure you go back in with the activator to make sure you don't have gummy, soft nails that are gonna break. Activator, apply very generously, and then make sure they dry, and boom, you can see my nails was real cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and start polishing my nails. The one that I used on my middle finger, I didn't show the name of it because it has no name. It's Essie brand. It's baby pink, as you can see, with gold flecks in it, but I got it when I worked for this company that would get exclusive stuff, so I don't know the name. It literally doesn't have a name on it, so that's why I didn't add it. Sorry. But I did a double coat of each color, and then I put a clear top coat on it from Essie, which also doesn't have a name because that was another product that I got from that job that I used to work. Let me not forget to mention, when you're polishing your nails, either regular color or top coat, make sure you get the tip of your nail, like the free edge, and make sure you also get the side walls because it's really easy to miss those parts. And then when your nails are done, you're gonna see you missed a section or a spot and then be like, dang bro, it's too late. Make sure you don't make that mistake. Don't play with me. My nails so cute. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky, high too high. Anyway, these are my little bling blings. Got these from AliExpress. I got the wax pencil from AliExpress that I'm using to put the little diamonds on. I'm using super glue that I got from the dollar store. Nail glue would probably be better because I'm not gonna lie, super glue gets a little ashy looking if you mess up, but just put a little dot and then put the diamond right on there and you will be good to go. If you're just starting out your nail kit, I really do recommend getting certain things from AliExpress since it's cheap. For example, like these rhinestones right here, they were, I think I got like 1,000 for $1 or $2. So when you go to a nail tech and she want to charge you $20 extra for rhinestones, just know she's coming up. But hey, I respect the hustle, you know what I'm saying? Everybody gotta eat. They just eating a lot. I'm not gonna lie. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys really like the tutorial. If you try this out, please let me know how it goes. This is beginner friendly. As I said, this was my first time ever trying it out. I'll be coming back to post a tutorial on how I do a fill-in, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please put them down below. Please stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.